Hi guys, I'm trying to make a screencast of this for this week. It's my first screencast, so bear with me. So this week we are looking at chemical sciences, and for those of you who find the thought of teaching chemical sciences a bit daunting, that's okay. You can go to the Australian curriculum. And actually, in this structure section here, you can find out a little bit about chemical sciences and how they fit into the curriculum and how you might go about starting to teach them. So there's a little bit of an introduction to biological sciences from last week and chemical sciences for this week, which is a great place to start if the thought of chemical sciences is a bit daunting to you or you haven't thought much about it since you're at school yourself. So that's one to have a quick look at. And then the next thing I thought I'd show you is the scope and sequence chart and how to find that. So you go to the Australian curriculum and you go down to science, and then the scope and sequence means all year levels, so you sort of see how you teach chemical sciences across all the year levels. So I would select all, and then I'd go to strands, and chemical sciences and biological sciences fit into science understanding, so you'd click that one and you'd say submit, and if you scroll down here, you'll see you can find the achievement sequences here, content and achievement sequences. So click on this one, and no, that hasn't worked. Here we go. Sorry, my computer's actually a bit slow. Sequence of content. So we scroll down and we would find science understanding. And here you go. Here is your scope and sequence chart. So you can see here chemical sciences. So what you'd be aiming to teach throughout the years in this strand of science. So that's going to help people when they're planning for this week's task, but also when they're planning for their second assignment. So there's biological sciences, which you'll need for the second assignment, and you'll need chemical sciences for the second assignment. Back to this week. So you're asked to use the E5 model to plan a explore task for Year 2 chemical sciences. I just thought I'd show you, if the E5 model's not super you're not super familiar with the E5 model, there's a really great resource in the Victorian curriculum. So I just googled this, the E5 instructional model, and this might just help you a little bit to understand more about how this model works. You can see, so this week we're looking at explore, and there's a fair bit of information here that'll help you in planning your task. So I just thought I'd show you that resource. So I've shown you the scope and sequence, and we've had a quick look at this resource for E5, and you guys are looking at an explore task. So hopefully that's of some benefit.